Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing boxclaim.com. Now if you don't know what this site is, they basically say that if you join the event Discord server, then complete 2 simple tasks, you will receive 5,000 Robux directly to your account. Now they also state here that this is safe. Yes, this event is run verified by Roblox staff members. So when will you receive your Robux? Typically within 48 to 72 hours after completing the steps. So do you need to install anything? Yes, it will be extremely simple though, all the steps in the Discord. Now from this thing alone, it has raised a lot of red flags, since why do you need to install anything to get Robux? Robux. And since there is no proof that this is verified by any Roblox staff, this raises a lot of red flags. So if we head on over here to boxclaim.com on Scam Advisor, as you can see, their trust score is a bit an abysmal 1 out of 100. So as you can see, the boxclaim.com is very low, since they have found a valid SSL certificate, then as filter labels this as safe. However, that's where the positive highlights end. So as you can see right here, they have a lot of negative highlights, stating that the Tranco rank, how much traffic, is rather low. The server of the site has several low reviewed other websites. The registrar of the website is popular amongst scammers. We discovered mainly negative reviews for this site. The reviews are rather very positive or negative, and the age of the site is very young, so it's relatively new. And this website looks to be hosted by a shady service provider. So I advise you, there's no legitimate way that Roblox hosts events like this, where we can receive up to 5,000 Robux completely free after doing simple tasks. It is too good to be true, so please do not fall for this. Do not log into your account. However, if you did log into your account here, you might want to change your password, since they may have compromised your password if you typed it in here. And yeah, that is it. That is the review on boxclaim.com. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.